guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is Julia's Hair or Julia Hair, and we're gonna go in the box and see what's inside. It's a Hey Beauty, so we have the wig, of course. Then I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I got. Wig cap, edge band, whatever you want to call it. Another wig cap, some lashes, makeup brush, and another edge band. And now we're gonna go to the wig. This is the first time I'm gonna be wearing a wig like this. I think this is a 24-inch Kinky straight hair. We are gonna go inside, and the wig is protected, of course. You guys see. Let's get rid of everything. Inside the wig. Ooh. Alright, so this is how the wig looks. We're definitely gonna add makeup to this, and yeah, it looks good. It also has a band. Did I tell you that? It's an adjustable band. There's clips inside, 2 on the side, 1 down here, which is the most important one for me. This wig is the edge, the 4C edges. As you guys look, you can see the edges. It is real cute. So I'm gonna go in, and I think I'm gonna pluck this some more, and then I'm gonna add some makeup. And the Kinky straight, it actually feels good. So let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm trying to think, do I need to leave it like this and just kind of wear it, like let it look a little bit natural or something? I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. But let's start plucking this wig. Let me show you guys the hairline some more. This is how it looks. It do have the 4C edges, so we're gonna go in and do some plucking. So it is on. I'm gonna use the hot comb, just trying to get it soaked in, and then I'm gonna tie it down for a minute. I like it like this, it looks natural, and I don't think I want to do, I might do the curly baby ear, I'm not sure as yet, but I really do like the ear. And if you guys notice, I didn't use any wig cap with this lace, which is extremely good. Also, I didn't put too much makeup on it, so I really do like the lace. Alright, we're gonna tie it down. I think I want to cut the lace off first, and then I'm gonna tie it down. I think so, yeah. Let's cut off the lace, and then we tie it down. This is so cute. It looks so natural, girl. Anywho, this is what we're gonna do. I am going to use my wax stick and just bring back the hair, because for some reason I just want this wig to be like, it's all mine. That's how I feel. I love it. I never know this is how nice kinky curly hair is. Like, say what now, girl? This, I love it. Anyway, we're gonna keep it back. So while I do that, I am going to, so it comes with the 4C baby hair, and I just feel like for some reason I want to add some gel to it. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know, I feel like this is something new. So I love this wig. I am going to, I feel like, oh, I just wanna, oh, girl. Alright, we can also bring it up, and I love how snug the back is. However you want to do this with, guys, it is cute, but for some reason it just looks so natural even at the edges. You guys can see all I did was add just some glue, basically, not glue but some gel, and the edges are curly, so I like that. So this is it. What do you guys think? Like, some people will curl this. I might do it another way and curl it, but no, I just feel like I'm going to school. I feel like this is all mine. And let me show it to you guys. It is 24 inches. Yeah, I love it. All right, Let's get into this slow-mo. Make sure you guys check the description bar down below. The link to this direct hair will be there, and the website where you guys can shop other than this wig. But I recommend this. First time wearing it, love it. You literally don't have to do nothing. I love the hairline, and guys, remember, there's no cap under this wig. It's beautiful.